So thank you so much for showing so much of love in my sister's video with how she lost 10 kgs in just 10 weeks. There she has explained every small to small points that you should implement in your life to get a fit and a healthy life. I, Pranjal, am here today to show you some of the exercises which you can do with me in a daily basis to just burn out your stubborn fat in the body. Before starting the exercise, I want to give you some of the tips. The most important tip is कि ऐसा होता है कि पहले दिन में हम कुछ नया अगर शुरू करते हैं, we do it with full enthusiasm and excitement. लेकिन एक्सरसाइज को वैसा नहीं करना है. You have to give your full potential. लेकिन पहले दिन से if a person is not doing any kind of exercise or walk or jogging, he is doing nothing. और पहले दिन में ही ये वीडियो देख के he started to do every exercises for 45 seconds in the full energy and उसी दिन ही he gave up. लेकिन ये गलत है. If you are not your body is not ready for all these exercises, तो please start from the very level 1. मतलब अगर मैं एक्सरसाइज 45 सेकेंड्स के लिए कर रही हूँ, you do the same exercise for 45 seconds but in a slow pace. और else आप उसी एक्सरसाइज को 20 सेकेंड्स के लिए कीजिए बट इन अ फास्ट पेस. मतलब आप धीरे धीरे अपना लेवल बढ़ाइए. अगर पहले दिन यू हैव स्टार्टेड फॉर 20 सेकेंड्स, कंटिन्यू इट फॉर 2 to 3 days. उसके बाद अगेन लाइक इंक्रीज योर टाइम. 20 सेकेंड से यू इंक्रीज टू 30 सेकेंड्स. स्लोली अपने बॉडी को फिट कराइए. पहले दिन से ही आप एकदम पूरा फुल एनर्जी के साथ, फुल जोश के साथ मत करिए, नहीं तो पहले दिन ही यू हैव अ वेरी ग्रेट बॉडी पेन और मसल्स फैटिग हो जाएंगे या फिर. इसीलिए स्लोली स्टार्ट द पेस. So today I'll explain each and every exercise with you and then we'll do the exercise. So let's go and do exercise with me. So let's go. So the first exercise, पहले अपने दोनों पैर को you spread it for some distance और अपने हाथ को straight करिए. Then touch your left leg with your right hand like this. 1, then come back. Then do the same with the other leg. Third. So let's do this exercise for 45 seconds. Let's start. You can step down the exercise by doing it slowly. Not able to touch your feet, then just try to touch it. Now the second exercise. The second exercise is you have to go left and take your hands upward, then down, then again right and then again left. This is the slow pace, and in the normal position you have to do like this. So let's do this exercise for 45 seconds. Here we start. To slow down the pace, you can do like this. Let's do it for 45 seconds. Keep smiling and do the exercise. For the third exercise, you need to sit down, stretch your legs and do like this. The main motive of this exercise is that you need to push your stomach with your legs, and to slow down the pace, you can just leg towards your hand. And for the fast pace of the level up, you can do like this. So let's do it for 45 seconds. So let's go. Keep doing. Don't give up. You can do it. Level down, slow your speed and do like this or do like this. For that, अपने दोनों पैरों को एक डिस्टेंस में करिए and then you have to sit and hold your hand, then jump up and then sit, which is the squat. We have to do like this. And to slow down, you can only sit और फिर ऊपर, नीचे and then up. Then do the normal exercise. You need to speed up. Okay, so let's do the exercise for 45 seconds. So let's go. Keep smiling and do the exercise. To level down the exercise, you need to do like this. According to your strength, do the exercise. For the fifth exercise, you need to sit down. Keep your leg here, fold a little bit. Try to sit straight, your back should be straight. And then think as if you are keeping a thing this side and you are taking it to the other side, like this. You need to keep your both the knees together. If it is not happening, you can tie a cloth or any kind of towel in your leg to keep it together. Then do this exercise. And to level down, you can do it slowly. And to level up your exercise, you can balance your body and then you can do the same thing. So let's do it for 45 seconds. So here we start. If you are not able to lift up your legs, you can keep down and do the same exercise. Level down, you can slow your exercise and you can do like this. For the sixth exercise, you need to sit. You need to fold your legs, sit on your legs, and then do it with the breathe in and breathe out. You need to stretch your arms upwards and then
Go down and try to touch your head on the floor.
then by taking a breath, you have to lift up, and then again by breathing out, you need to
Touch the hand on the floor and the head. Do like this.
for 45 seconds. So let's do for 45 seconds. So here we start.
floor, then try
to touch it slowly and gradually. For the 7th exercise, you need to get up, stand in a position, and then we'll do jogging. The exercises, we need to lift our knees to a position and do like this. And to level down the exercise, you can do like this, or you can do only like this and skip the hopping part. Okay? So let's do this exercise. We are near to the end of the exercises, so please don't give up and do exercise with me with full energy and a big smile. So let's do it, the exercise. Try to lift up your leg to the level of your stomach and continue the exercise. To level down, you can do like this. Or even you can do the exercise like this. And slowly increase your level. You have been doing a very great job. Till now you have done a very good thing. Continue doing this daily. We are leading towards the end of this video, the last but not the least exercise. So please do it. Don't give up. And you should remember कि ये जो weight है we have gained through many days, तो इसे lose करना is not that easy. So gradually we have to lose this weight. Or you need to have patience. You have to take care of your food. You have to take sufficient water in a day. You need to take sufficient sleep in a day. These are also the major factors in the list of losing your weight. So let's do the last exercise. Don't lose your patience. Let's do the last exercise. Yes, you can do it. The last exercise. For the last exercise, you need to sit down. You need to lie down. Hands should be over your head. Take your legs up, lift your leg towards the up. And the exercise is you need to touch your right elbow with your left leg and then do it with the other leg also. To level down your exercise, you can just do this without moving your legs. Slowly you will increase your pace. So now let's do this exercise for last 45 seconds. You can do it. Let's go. You can do this exercise in a slow speed also by doing this. And if you have to level up, then do it in a faster speed. Guys, last 45 seconds. You can do it. Some seconds more. You can do it. Congratulations, you have come to the end of the exercises, and thanks that you have come and you did exercise with me, and I hope that you will do it daily because it's very necessary. अब तक तो आप समझ गए होंगे कि body is very important, you need to take care of it. So I hope कि आप daily मेरे साथ आए and you do exercise and stay fit and keep smiling. और along with the exercise, I wish कि आप मेरी sister के वीडियो पे जाए. I'll share the link in the description. You go and watch the video full so that you can know कि आपको अपने life में क्या क्या changes करने हैं. So please watch that video and come daily to my channel and do exercise with me. My sister will also be there with some of the exercises. So be ready to get some of the more exciting exercises every 1 week. So be healthy, keep smiling, stay fit. Bye bye and take care.